Hi friends, welcome to Trending Stocks. Kindly subscribe to my channel for the latest market updates. Here you can browse through my channel and you can find all the latest market updates here. And you can browse through all multi-bagger tips. Here I am going to post all the multi-bagger. You can find all the multi-bagger stocks you can find. Today came with the latest update about Uttam Value Steel. So many of our investors in Uttam Value Steel they have received an email which you can see here. So email from your Demat account Demat account provider. So either it may be CDSL or NSDL. So you may receive an email. So around 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock, you may receive the email. So, yeah, in that email, it was stated that Uttam Value Steel Limited new equity share with face value 1 after subdivision, the capital reduction, and also they have specified the ISN number and the quantity, and the debit or credit status is debit, and the date and time. So, I think everyone they have received this email. After that, I received a lot of comments also behind. Some of my videos of Uttam Value Steel stating that the people are confused on that. So just I would like to clarify to everyone because many of them knows the reason and there are a lot of peoples are there, lot of retail investors they doesn't know the reason why they receive such an email. So usually while we are buying a share or selling a share, we are getting the demand notification saying that either it is getting debited from your account if you are selling. If you are buying it, you will get an email stating that it is credited to your account. So that's a usual procedure. That's the usual procedure you're seeing. But here you didn't buy anything, you didn't sell anything, but you received an email from your demat account provider. So the reason is this equity actually the UVSL was delisted from the exchanges according to the SEBI order. After that, it was not available in your trading platform. So usually the retailers are confused that the trading platform is your demat account. No, it is not your demat account. Trading platform is the share which is available for trading, that will be showing. That means sometime what will happen, if the share is not listed or maybe temporarily suspended, that share will not be shown there for trading. So but it will be available in your demat account, and once the share is relisted, it will show in your trading platform. So here the scenario is very clear that it was available in your demat account. The quantity was available of UVSL, and today the process was happened to remove it from your demat account. So today onwards, today after you receive this email means it is already removed. At that time, what is the time they have specified here, that time onwards the UVSL share is not available in your demat account. It means if you are having 1,000 share means 1,000 share is already wiped off. So it is UVSL is no more available. So hope everyone understand that. So this was the news I should supposed to share. So take it in the right speed. I'm really sorry that many of the retail investors knowingly and unknowingly they lost their money. So I'm really sorry for that, and try to cope up with other share and try to make a profit. That means which you can cover all the losses what you have made in Uttam Value Steel. Thank you very much.